I'm here at the Chocolate Hills in Carmen, Bohol. So, Adi, sama ko kayo. Basta magsalita kayo.
Hi! Nice place.
Hi, Opare.
So, how's your impression?
Very nice.
How many times have you visited this This
Fourth time.
fourth time?
Time actually.
But it is green.
It's matcha now, not
It's
chocolate.
matcha, not chocolate.
This is what you call matcha, no?
Matcha Hills.
Ah, Matcha Hills. Ang ganda ng view from here, oh.
It's matcha, it's so green. Pero during summer, brown talaga siya. Kasi papunta tayo summer, no?
So if you
Vlogger.
if you start from Tagbilaran, you take yung road, Bilar Road. You follow, then pagkatapos right side yung right side yung this Chocolate Hills. No, but if you're from Tubigon, nasa left side siya. So we took the Tubigon highway, and when we entered yung place, no, we paid good for 3. Magkano ba? Yan, 280, no? 100 pesos yung entrance so far. So these are their amenities sa loob. May develop na rin siya compared sa yung before, no? So you have, these are the magandang view dyan, magpatong ka dyan no? These are natural geographic formations daw talaga, no? Sa airplane makita mo to sa taas, ang dami, I think thousands to yung ganitong mga hills. So here, dito yung dito yung entrance nila. Nandiyan yung parking ng car that we rented, no? We rented a brand new Vios na car. 2 months pa lang siya, walang gas-gas, no? So ito yung area ng usually dito nagpo-posing yung mga visitors, no? Gustong-gusto nila here. Yan, no? Chocolate Hills area. So you have, kung gusto mong umakyat sa taas, ito sa taas, you have to, ilang steps kayo yan akyat, no? You have to go a better view of the surrounding. Akyat ka dyan, no? Sa taas, no? Akyat ka dito. This is the main entrance. Here papasok. You want to go up sa taas, super init, no? Akyat ilang steps kayo yan. Pila ni siya ka steps pataas? Masaka ka? 220? Init makayo? 220 steps daw, no? Paakyat ka doon. So this is their Chocolate Hills here area. They have yung dining area nila here, no? Sa loob. Tingnan natin quick look of their dining area. Transform na rin siya, no, compared before when we visited years back. Ito yung dining area nila. Oh, linis pala, oh. Aircon, malamig, no? Maganda yung dining area nila here. Dining area. Ayan, no? Okay. Develop na rin, no? This is one of the, if not, no, the major tourist destination here in Bohol. You don't go sa Bohol if you don't visit this, yung Chocolate Hills. Ito yung area na 220 steps, no, sa taas. Let us see kung may time pa kami, no, because we have a meeting this afternoon in Tagbilaran. Buko juice. Buko juice. Dito yung buko juice.
Dito sir, buko juice.
Na ay buko juice.
Yes, we have buko juice.
Okay, okay. Na massage. Buko juice lang sa akin. May buko juice.
Juice kami.
Buko juice.
Sa timi.
Ano yan? 18 ah.
Kano nga? 17. So 20.
Namoy straw ni wala.
Wala sa naman na siya sod sa
Okay, sige. Okay. Nice, inumig. Natural, no? Buko, this is 70 pesos. Okay na, fair. No, fair. They have also, if you want to buy mga t-shirts. Tagpilay mong t-shirt. Ah, 129. 129 ang usa? Nasa yung mga island souvenirs, 129 pesos. Mura lang. At the area. Ha? Ito mo. This area, portion. Kapalibot dito talaga, no? The hills of Bohol. Oh, final? Do you want to go upstairs? 220 steps?
Okay.
Wala na.
Sa